what?
She them want dark, me I give them the darkness. Say she want me hot, but bitch me heartless. Bad bro skirt off in the rental. Gunshot just fuck up boy dental. Whether you a get canned by the end. Whether you a get canned by the end of the night, you should never ban.
Reaction.
What's the way to be about TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys to hear a song from Belize. It's been a long time, you feel me? Right now we have a song from 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓. The song is called Heartless. Official music video. I think it up on 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 channel. You know I say yo perf watch a style, yeah. You know I say we can see what go on, man. You know first I don't know we can leave a like on the video. Make him know so they there. You know you gotta subscribe to Tyre. So if you don't subscribe, people want to subscribe to my channel right now. I'm gonna like the video right now. So the video get recommended to more people. So more people see the video and subscribe to the motion. Everybody eat. That I go on for what I go on. So you can see what I go on, so 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓, Heartless. First time I saw that song, it come out a couple months ago, I can see what I go on. We can run the tune. Let's chat in. Go on! Voila.
Yo, I'm a spliff there.
Perf watch a style.
You man a one nation.
Voila.
Chip.
Welcome home.
Yo, I'm a spliff there.
Perf watch a style.
You man a one nation. Chip.
Yeah.
Chip. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓. Them boy never there when gunshot beat off. Make that sing like Leela. And we are creep on the men's with a schemers. For me dogs them torment to no weak heart. New chip black heavy fully dark. Pan henny. She them want dark, me I give them the darkness. Say she want me hot, but bitch me heartless. Bad bro skirt off.
The dog come in serious in that order today.
Chip.
Oh man.
Chip.
The dog forward serious put up on the coming argument. Heard it?
Them boy never there when gunshot beat off. Make that sing like Leela. And we are creep on the men's with a schemers. For me dogs them torment to no weak heart. New chip black heavy fully dark. Pan henny.
Pan what?
She them want dark, me I give them the darkness. Say she want me hot, but bitch me heartless. Bad bro skirt off in the rental. Gunshot just fuck up boy dental. Whether you a get canned by the end. Whether you a get canned by the end of the night, you should never ban.
That I God? Hold on.
I just fuck up boy dental. Whether you a get canned by the end of the night, you should never ban. And we dwell in the darkness. We fully goes up and you know we lawless. Yo, pass me the banger phone, make a call quick.
Yeah, choppy line.
Skull just answer, big food just drop from Atlanta. Send you on a gun for the package. The boy them a FedEx can't stop it. Where them know about chat food, yo better no box food. Man I live life like a top cool. Tons out from the time when me step out of the classroom. Them boy never there when guns.
I don't like that. You see dog I sing about choppings. You dog knock it in them head. Oh Lord, no Mr. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓, you go out with beatings in every day, you know. Because attention to detail, I don't know chopping. Run through.
We fully goes up and you know we lawless. Fully. Yo, pass me the banger phone, make a call quick. call just answer. Big food just drop from Atlanta. Send you on a gun for the package. The boy them a FedEx can't stop it.
Never.
Where them know about chat food, yo better no box food.
Never.
Man I live life like a top good.
Top good.
Tons out from the time when me step out of the classroom. Them boy never there when gunshot beat off. Make that sing like Leela. And we a creep on the men's with a ski mask. For me dogs, them torment with no weak heart. New chip black heavy, fully dark. Pan Remy, pan Remy, pan Remy. Say them want dark, me I give them the darkness. Say she want me hot, but bitch me heartless. Young and bad, them wouldn't want see me. I know me have to kill every stage show me perform. Got them girls just a slide outside the fucking drawers. Even say a word dog and she have to give me fast. Really
so that full of me know Dan though for but not like the first half of the song. But you see me I say that got chop. That got chop. I have to teach me for chop to one dog. More I learn dog. Teach me the ways of dog. But they are too long for non chop dog. Teach me for chop. Bumbo clap man. Chop. Go on.
Say she want me hot, but bitch me heartless. Young and bad, them wouldn't want see me. I know me have to kill every stage show me perform. Got them girls just a slide outside them fucking drawers. Even say a word dog and she have to give me fast. Really?
My very get a slide out her drawers. I saw that no bad. Oh my gosh, listen what the dog say man. Listen.
Young and bad, them wouldn't want see me. I know me have to kill every stage show me perform. Got them girls just a slide outside them fucking drawers. Even say a word dog and she have to give me fast. Really and told me fuck up the damn place. From the time that you are silly man, you have to get up me damn face. Me have to get a couple million just to say that me feel good. Pick up a girl in a the vehicle. Why never there when gunshot beat off. Make that sing like Leela. And we are creep on the men's with a ski mask. See me dogs them torment to no weak heart. New chip black heavy, fully dark. Pan henny, pan henny, pan henny. Say them want dark, me I give them the darkness. Say she want me hot, but bitch me heartless.
What's your style?
I've been watching the news
As usual,
all day, and none of
Kendi,
those
speak up yourself.
identified as our friend Wayne Smith.
Bad piece of sitting down and put it. Don't put it. Yeah man, fuck with it man. This was going over the side of the world. This was the comments even at top, but Madam Bad, Belize City G's, Dando, it's a banger, Belize, bad. Fuck, fully dark, bad. Hard, Dando, Heartless killers, active, hard. You see me, I say, I be over in the comment section, man, so you know if you ready the video. Bless some fair emoji under the comments. Like the video so the video get comments to more people. We not talk too much. You see me, I say, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓, bang, bang. And when that come out, I first me see the song there. And there.
Honestly, we should have used a condom, but we got distracted.
Honestly, we've been together for.
Burn up. Kind of style that. No play them game.
Yo, diagnose. Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓.
6 rise
Yeah. We're going to reaction in a different video. What I'm told, we can't give the one sauce like that. Then see you go yourself as usual stay. But I give you a next reaction right now. Dando, bad piece of song in general. Big up yourself as usual. You see me and say, reaction boss is back in effect, people. Like how the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. You me a talk to. Big up yourself.